It's giveaway time. I am partnering with Paloma Health to give away one of their thyroid test kits. I have been using Paloma Health now for the past 4 years, since 2021, to help me manage my 𝘩𝘕𝑚𝑜to's disease. When we moved away from my doctor, I thought I'd give telemedicine a try, and I have been so pleased. And today, I would like to give away one of their test kits. One of the biggest challenges that we face sometimes is finding a doctor who will listen to us, or just finding a doctor in general. It can be really challenging to find specialists these days. And I was really grateful to find Paloma Health because I was feeling horrible in 2021 when we moved, and trying to figure out a new doctor and maybe visiting a few of them and making appointments and waiting in waiting rooms just wasn't something I was interested in doing. And so I thought I'd give it a try. The worst that could happen is I didn't like it, and then I would have to find a doctor. But I have really loved my experience with Paloma Health. It is so convenient to be able to test your thyroid levels at home. This test kit from Paloma Health has everything that you need to check your thyroid levels. You can also add on vitamin D and one other test that I am blanking on because I've never added that one on. But you get all of the supplies that you need, and all it is a finger prick. You fill in these little circles with your blood, send it off in the mail, get your results back from them. And if you choose to use them as your doctor, then you can schedule an appointment and have a Zoom meeting, and you can message your care team anytime that you need to. It's just been really a wonderful experience. So I'm thrilled to be able to give you one of these test kits so that you can check them out for yourself. Even if all you want to do is check out your thyroid levels, they're wonderful for that as well. I'll put some details in the description box. Now for the disclaimer. Do not fall for scams. I use a company called 𝘕𝘕wiDget to run my giveaways. There will be a link in the description box. You click on that link, you go to 𝘕𝘕wiDget, and then you put in your email address and your name. If you win, I will email you from my email, 𝘩𝑤𝑖Gsister@gmail.com. No other email addresses, no numbers in there, no other letters in there. So don't fall for scams. And if you get a response down below to a comment that you make telling you that you've won and you should go visit some random website to claim your prize, don't fall for it. You will only hear from me via email if you win. I will announce the winner as well on my community page as a post, and I'll also put it at the top of this video. But the only way I will contact you is from my 𝘩𝑤𝑖Gsister@gmail.com. Let's stay safe out there while still enjoying these fun giveaways. If you register, good luck. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.